In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Disney Plus error code 73. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you're seeing that error code 73, this typically means the service thinks your location or network isn't in a supported region, most often because of VPN, proxy, unusual IP address, or location related issues. Now, I'm going to run through a step-by-step guide on how to fix this. So the most common fix is going to be if you got a VPN or proxy or a smart DNS running in the background, just go ahead and disable that. Many VPNs trigger this error because Disney Plus blocks known VPN IPs. Now the next fix we can do is go ahead and clear your cache. So click and hold down your Disney Plus app, click into I, and then scroll down, click onto storage, and then you want to go ahead and clear cache. Also, we can go to our Player App Store, search for Disney, and if it says update, go ahead and update the app. Now, if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, try switching over to mobile data or vice versa. Now, if you're still having issues, I suggest trying on a different device. So test Disney Plus on a phone or computer using cellular data. If that works but Wi-Fi doesn't, the issue is with your network, not Disney Plus.